Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss 10th question. The design of microchip has scale. So scale they are given has scale 40:1, that is 40 by 1 also you can take. The length of the design is 18 centimeter. So this is design. Then find the length of the actual microchips. So this is, if it is a design 1 centimeter, then actual will be 40 centimeter. That is the meaning of scale. So if it is 18 centimeter, then what is this they are asking? So let's take actual microscope. So length of actual microchip. Then design length of design microchip. Length of design microchip. Let's take length of actual microchip will be x and design microchip will be y. So if it is a design microchip, they are in direct proportion. You can take like that. So if design will be x will be increases, then y will also will be increased. That is, x is directly proportional to y. That implies x is equals to ky. That implies x by y will be equal to k. So x1 by y1 will be equal to x2 by y2 will be equal to k. So x1 y1, x2 y2. So actual microchip length is 40, means this will be 1. If it is a 18 centimeter, then what it is? So let's substitute the value here. x2 we have to calculate actual microchip length if it is that one. So x1 y2 by y1. Then x1 is what here? So here what you can do here is 40 into 18 by 1. So what is that? So 0, 4 8s are, so 32, then 4 1s are 4, that is 72. 720, what you will get? 720 centimeter. So that one we will get. But actually you can do another one. What is that method is? Actually here you can take 40:1. 40:1 is a scale. So actually this is design length will be 40 times reduced and actually length will be 1 centimeter. Then it is reduced. Then for y2 will be what? 18. So then another one you can take, another method is x2 will be equal to x1 y2 by y1. If it is the take like this, then it will be possible. x1 will be 1 into y2 will be 18 by 40. So 18 by 40, 2 9s are, 2 20s are, 9 by 20 centimeter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So in our 11th question is, the average age of doctors and lawyers together is 40. If the doctor's average age is 35 and lawyer's average age is 50. Find the ratio of the number of doctors to the number of lawyers. So here let's take average age that are given here. So let's take the average age of doctors and lawyers will be, doctors and lawyers will be 40 years. Then average age of doctors x, let's take 35, and average age of lawyers will be 50 years. So average is nothing but, what is the formula of average? Average will be sum of all the observations, by total number of observations. That is the formula. So here let's take average age of doctors. Then average age of doctors will be equal to 35 years. That is number of doctors. So average age, that one will be average age of doctors, that is x will be equal to all the ages by number of doctors. So here average age of doctors will be sum of the ages by all ages by number of doctors, that is x. that will be equal to 35 sum of ages by x, sum of ages. Then sum of ages will be 35 into x of doctors. Then average age of lawyers, that is y, will be equal to sum of all the ages, sum of all the ages by number of lawyers, that will be equal to number of sum of all their ages will be 50, that will be equal to sum of ages by y. So sum of ages will be equal to 50 into y. 50 into y. So now we got, then what you can write here is average age of doctors and lawyers will be equal to, so average age of doctors and lawyers will be equal to, average age, what is that? So average age is 40 years. Sum of all their ages, sum of ages of doctors and lawyers by number of doctors plus number of lawyers. So average age is 40, that will be equal, sum of their doctors will be, sum of the ages of doctors will be 35x plus sum of the ages of lawyers will be 50 y by x plus y. So that will be equal to here 40 into x plus y, 35x plus 50y. So 40x plus 40y, that will be equal to 35x plus 50y. So here 40x minus 35x, that will be equal to 50y minus 40y. So 40x minus 35 will be 5x, 50 minus 40 will be 10y. So what they are asked is x by y, doctors to lawyers, that is the ratio 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 by 1. So doctors to lawyers ratio will be 2 by 1, that is 2:1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.